Now that you've got the feel for what it's like to turn on the right muscles in a laying down position that gives you a fighting chance to get that feel, we're going to see if we can integrate that now into an upright standing position that starts to emulate running a little more. First, you'll find yourself a wall or some support. The leg you're training will be straight onto the ground. Get your foot tripod. Then from here, you want to stick your hips back like you're sitting back into a chair, not coming down and forward where your knee travels over your toe. So you want to sit that booty back, make sure your back stays neutral. Your opposite leg is just back here as a support, like a kickstand. Think about taking that hip and sticking it out just slightly. Feel that glute turn on. In just a little bit, it should start to maybe ache or burn, but you should really feel it working. Now that you've got the position, you can simply hold for time, or you can add in some motion, such as slightly sitting back and down, and then coming back up.